In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify store can't accept payments. If your store isn't taking payments, the most common reason is that no payment method is active yet. Let's walk through exactly where to look and what to turn on so customers can check out without a hitch. Start by signing into your Shopify Admin and landing on the home dashboard. From there, head to the bottom left corner and open Settings. Inside Settings, select Payments. This is the control center for everything related to how your store accepts money. On the Payments page, look for an option to activate a payment method. If you see a banner or button prompting you to activate, go ahead and start that process. Activation tells Shopify which gateway you're using and switches your checkout from not accepting to ready to accept payments. As you walk through activation, make sure the information you provide matches your business details, including your legal name, address, and the currency you plan to sell in. Consistent, accurate details help prevent holds and review delays. Next, if you want to offer more ways for customers to pay, choose the option to pick a provider and add another payment method. This opens a list of supported gateways and region-specific providers. Select the provider that fits your location, currencies, and the payment types you want to support, like major cards or local wallets. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect the provider. If a provider asks for credentials, enter them securely and only within Shopify or the provider's official site. Avoid sharing any sensitive keys or passwords elsewhere. Once a payment method is added, check that it shows as active on the Payments page. If something shows as pending or requires additional verification, complete any requested business or identity checks right away. Until verification is finished, payments might not process. Also confirm that the payment methods you've enabled align with your store's currency and that your store isn't in a paused or test-only state. After saving your changes, return to the Payments page and confirm the status indicators reflect the methods you've enabled. You should see clear labels showing your primary payment option and any additional providers you selected. If your theme displays accepted payment icons in the footer, those will typically update automatically based on your active methods. That's it. By opening your Shopify Admin, going to Settings, selecting Payments, activating a payment option, and choosing a provider to add other methods, you'll restore a fully functional checkout so customers can complete their purchases with confidence.